Hey! Want to instantly feel sharper, more focused, and less drained during your workday? The secret isn't another coffee, it's your home office lighting. Most people sit in terrible lighting and wonder why they get brain fog by 3 p.m. Today I'll show you how to fix it in minutes and boost your productivity and mental clarity every single day. First, chase natural light like your focus depends on it, because it does. Place your desk next to a window but perpendicular so you're not getting glare on your screen. Natural daylight regulates your circadian rhythm, lifts your mood, and can skyrocket productivity. Next, get the right color temperature. Use cool white bulbs between 4000 K to 5500 K during the day. This mimics bright sunlight and keeps your brain alert and sharp. In the evening, switch to warm 2700 K to 3000 K lights so you don't mess up your sleep. Layer your lighting. Never rely on just one ceiling light. Use 3 layers. Soft ambient light for the whole room. A focused task lamp on your desk. And gentle bias lighting behind your monitor to reduce eye strain. Pro tip, aim for 500 to 750 lux on your desk surface. Clean your lights regularly, dust can cut brightness by 30%. Quick daily routine. Morning, flood your space with bright cool light. Midday, take a 5-minute natural light break. Evening, dim and warm everything up. Small lighting changes create massive results in focus, energy, and even happiness. Try these tips today and comment below in 1 week how much sharper you feel. Like and follow for more simple ways to upgrade your work from home life.